If you're a home mechanic, car collector, or weekend wrench turner tired of crawling under cars on jack stands, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best car lifts for your home garage. From portable scissor lifts that fold flat to a powerful 2-post that brings professional shop access home. All links are in the description. Stick around till the end. The #1 pick's price will genuinely surprise you. Let's go. Starting at number 7, the VEVOR 7,000 pounds portable car lift. The best budget entry into real hydraulic lifting. Most people stay stuck on floor jacks for years. Not because they want to, because getting a lift sounds expensive and complicated. The VEVOR removes that excuse. Q2 35B carbon steel construction with 7,000 pounds capacity handles cars, sport utility vehicles, and light trucks without flinching. Next, 4 adjustable columns with an 11-inch extension plate take you from 10 to nearly 27 inches off the ground. Enough for brake jobs, oil changes, and suspension work. Finally, 120-volt plug-and-play power with a foldable wheeled frame. No electrician, no contractor. Plug in, lift, fold it flat. Limitations: hydraulic oil not included. Instructions need improvement, no remote. Best for first-time buyers and budget mechanics. Not for those needing maximum height. At $1,599.90, this is where you start. At number 6, the Albott 7,000 pounds portable car lift. The best step up for mechanics needing real working clearance. Most portable lifts top out at 24 or 26 inches. You're flat on your back, head turned sideways, trying to reach a brake caliper. The Albott fixes that. 28-inch maximum lift height makes it the tallest portable scissor lift in its class. That reach completely changes working under a truck or full-size sport utility vehicle. Second, Q235B steel with factory anti-corrosion coating holds up through years of hard use in any garage environment. Third, an upgraded spring assist mechanism delivers faster height recovery between adjustments. Less waiting, more working. Limitations: heavy to reposition, requires 220-pound minimum load to lower. Documentation unclear. Best for mechanics needing maximum portable clearance. Not for those ready for permanent installation. At $1,379.99, more height, better durability, same great portability. Number 5, the Orion Motor Tech 7,000 pounds portable car lift. The best portable system for speed, safety, and everyday convenience. Most portable lifts waste too much setup time. You're adjusting columns and connections when you just want to get under the car. The Orion Motor Tech solves that. 360-degree silent casters with a fold in 10 seconds design mean you roll into position and start working in under a minute. Fastest setup in its class. Second, automatic mechanical locks with non-slip rubber blocks engage at every height without manual adjustment. The vehicle stays completely firm while you work. Third, 7,000 pounds capacity with an 11-inch extension plate handles trucks, vans, and long wheelbase sport utility vehicles. Everything included out of the box. Limitations: 26.8-inch height is lower than the Albott. Hydraulic oil not included. Flat surface only. Best for fast setup and complete out-of-box experience. Not for maximum portable height. At $1,399.99. Fast, safe, complete. At number 4, the VEVOR 9,000 pounds portable car lift. The best high-capacity portable lift for serious truck and sport utility vehicle owners. Most portable lifts cap at 7,000 pounds. Fine for a sedan, but tight with a loaded truck or heavy sport utility vehicle. The VEVOR 9,000 pounds changes that. 9,000 pounds capacity with 28-inch maximum lift height, handles full-size trucks, 3-row sport utility vehicles, and heavy vehicles smaller lifts cannot support. Second, 4 adjustable columns with rubber pads and a 120-volt power unit deliver plug-and-play simplicity. No electrical upgrades, no contractor. Third, heavy-duty steel frame with integrated wheels, folds for storage, and rolls exactly where you need it. Sturdy enough for the heaviest loads. Limitations: heavier than the lighter models, hydraulic oil not included, flat surface required. Best for truck owners working on vehicles over 7,000 pounds. Not for compact car owners who want permanent installation. At $1,954.90, truly built for the heavy stuff. Number 3. The KATOOL 11,000 pounds 2-post lift. The best entry into permanent professional lifting for the serious home mechanic. Portable lifts are great until you need to drop a transmission. At that point, a permanent 2-post is the only answer. The KATOOL gets you there. 11,000 pounds clear floor design with 70.75-inch maximum lift height delivers true stand-up access under every vehicle. Cars, trucks, vans, and sport utility vehicles completely elevated. Second, dual hydraulic chain drive cylinders with Conformité Européenne certification. Independently verified at 115% dynamic and 150% static load capacity. Third-party tested, not manufacturer claimed. Third, symmetric clear floor layout with rubber pad door protection keeps the floor unobstructed and shields vehicle doors from column contact. Limitations: requires 220-volt electrical service. Concrete minimum 5.9 inches at 3,000 pounds per square inch. Freight delivery needs forklift. Best for committed home mechanics with 220-volt access and proper ceiling clearance. Not for renters or low-ceiling garages. At $2,089, professional 2-post performance. Quick reminder, if this is helping, hit that like button and subscribe. All links are in the description. Let's get to the top 2. This is where it gets serious. At number 2, the APlusLift 10,000 pounds 2-post overhead lift. The best value permanent lift for a serious home garage. You want a real shop lift, not portable, not mid-rise. A proper overhead 2-post handles everything. The APlusLift delivers. Overhead clear floor design with 10,000 pounds capacity means the floor beneath your car stays open. No base plates blocking your workspace, just a vehicle at full working height with access underneath. Second, combo symmetrical and asymmetrical arm positioning lets you configure for any vehicle and any repair. Doors swing open in asymmetric mode. Arms reach where you need them each time. Third, Conformité Européenne, certified at 115% dynamic and 150% static load capacity. Verified safety when underneath a vehicle weighing thousands of pounds. Limitations: minimum 12-foot ceiling, 220-volt wiring from a licensed electrician. Freight delivery requires a forklift. Best for serious home mechanics with 12-foot ceilings and 220-volt service. Not for low-ceiling garages, renters, no 220-volt access. At $2,299, the professional benchmark. And the number 1 pick right now, 11,000 pounds of 2-post power at a price that genuinely changes everything. The number 1 best car lift for a home garage in 2026 is the WEIZE 11,000 pounds 2-post car lift, the most capable permanent lift at the most competitive price. You want a real 2-post. The WEIZE delivers 11,000 pounds of capacity, more than the number 2 pick. 11,000 pounds with 70.87-inch maximum lifting height handles every vehicle. Compact cars to full-size trucks, with stand-up undercarriage clearance for any repair. Second, 220-volt 3-horsepower motor with 110.23-inch drive-through width delivers smooth lifting, accommodates your widest vehicles without concerns. Third, double safety lock release with heavy-duty steel construction provides 2 independent safety mechanisms on every lift cycle. Redundant protection mechanics depend. Limitations: requires 220-volt service. Freight needs a forklift. Concrete minimum 5.9 inches at 3,000 pounds per square inch. Best for home mechanics wanting maximum 2-post capacity at the best price. Not for beginners, renters, or anyone without 220-volt access. At $2,349, more lifting power for less money. That is the clear #1 pick. And there you have it, the 7 best car lifts for your home garage in 2026. Drop a comment below. Which one is going in your garage? Portable scissor or permanent 2-post? All links are in the description below. Hit that like button and subscribe right now. Thanks for watching.